On this episode of the O2 Garage, we are at Mile End for the Coffee and Cars, and they're starting to roll in, and there's going to be a lot for us to see. Pulling into the Mile End Homemaker Centre now for Coffee and Cars. Hey guys, how are you? Good. Not bad. And there'll be a lot of cars here, so. Are you ready, Ruby?
What?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Down here, this will all fill up the cars. There'll be cars everywhere.
Punch Blue Beetle, punch Green Beetle.
Oh my God. Breakfast? Look at that little Toyota GDO, oh actually no, it's a Le Mans, a Mustang, a massive big Cadillac, and the car that Ruby can't work out, that actually is a Ferrari, Ruby. It's a Dino Ferrari.
I thought it was.
All right, so Ruby, there is actually a car here. Stay there. I'm going to point it out to you. It's over that way.
That big one.
What big one?
The maroon and white one. I mean cream.
The cream and white one, are you sure? It's over by the city discount carpet sign. Can you see it?
Oh.
What is it? Should we go and have a look at that? So this Ruby, stay there, this Ruby is an international full drive. It's a longer wheelbase, right? And what that means is the longest wheelbase bit means that this piece here, which is the tray, is longer than normal. So what we need to do is we need to find this tray, the step side, but this has to be shorter, probably by about that much. And that will fit on your truck. The other thing is, this one here's got a pretty good cab on it. And there's a lot of cool little touches on it. Oh, look at this hot rod, look at the hot rod. Sorry, that's what happens when
You go talk louder.
Yeah, that's what happens when you come to Coffee and Cars. You get distracted, don't you?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
The other thing I really like is this tray in the back, that wooden tray. Do you like the look of the wooden tray, Rubes?
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
I think if this wooden tray was the whole floor, it would be cool.
Yeah. Do you like the fold down rear tail light as well, back of it? Yeah. I like the black and white on the back of it, like danger, danger, don't you?
Yeah.
But it does sit up quite high. And the other thing is, it's got the 4-spoke steering wheel in it as well. I don't know if you can see that inside. It's got the 4-spoke steering wheel. Oh, I can poke it in through there. And that's the international steering wheel. That one's quite hard to get. It does have also the high seat belts on it. Yeah, what is that? It's like extra piece in the guard, is it? What's that for?
Make it out more.
All right, so you can actually put a bigger wheel on the back.
Yeah.
We could probably make these. I don't think that'd be all that hard to make those.
I feel like it'd be a safer option if we can afford it.
Yeah, yeah. But all things being equal, I reckon it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Yeah?
Oh.
It's called a Volkswagen Thing. So what it was, right? It was a Volkswagen, and so it's got a Beetle. It's got a Beetle on the bottom, and it's got like a body on top, and it was designed as a country buggy type. I think it's called a country buggy. I don't think it's called a thing, but it's got all the running gear from this one over here underneath with this like aluminium body. And can you see how it's got like what do you call it, Volkswagen lights on it, right? So technically, punch brown beetle. Look at that, Rubes. Look at that. No doors on it. So it's kind of like a beach buggy, but an off-road. What? The Jesus bar. Yeah, it is. It's a Carmen top.
I like it.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice car. Look at that green Falcon. Beautiful.
Very nice, though. Anyway, keep going.
That's nice. The Mercury's nice. Alright, so let me tell you a quick story. This white Impala 4-door is the great car to use as a backdrop. I would have been about 14 or 15 years old, and I was riding a BMX around Ranella, and I came across a car on a place called Wedge Place, and it was a 4-door white Impala. This is back in the early 80s. It had a big block, it had a blower, it had a set of center lines, and it had a bonnet scoop. Now, I managed to find a few photographs of that car later on when it was for sale, but that was the very first street machine modified car I ever saw in real life. And it's what started me off on my journey of cars and love of cars, and probably a reason why I got the Phoenix like I did. But this thing here is very, very, very close to what I saw when I was 15 years old. You like that? Nice Capri. What do you think about the Volksy? Oh, there's a big key. Ow, stop punching me. Okay, so that's pretty rad. Cars coming through. So this is a bit of a different look, but we could go up rather than down on the Dodge. Now it's red and it's white, it's got big chrome wheels. What do you think? Do you think it'll look good? Or would you prefer to go down?
Down.
So we'll look like going down rather than up? Yeah. It looks good though, doesn't it?
Yeah, it just wouldn't suit the Dodge.
So this one here is different to the other one, but this one's lower and it's got the big wheels, but it doesn't have the rake, does it? So you think that maybe this is the way it should be, or the
Not
Dodge?
our Dodge, but I mean this car.
Yeah, because our Dodge needs a bit of rake on it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, like that 56 behind you over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love it. It's absolutely awesome. you like that one. So, what is my favourite car? Well, we're standing behind us, Ruby. Do you know what it is?
That one.
Yep. This green Pontiac Chieftain. Wow. This is my favourite car of the meet. I love those white walls. I love the shape of it. Have a look at the dash on this thing. How rad is that? Show the roof. There you go, like this. Angle it down. Good on you, that's it. All right, Rube, so that's it. That was the coffee and cars. We're done and dusted. It's time to head home. You enjoyed it?
Yeah, it was fun.
Awesome. All right, well, guys, that's the end of the episode. We're heading out. Do us a favour, hit like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. Give us some suggestions for Ruby's truck if you want to. And look forward to seeing you on the next episode of the O2 Garage, where I think, Ruby, we need to do a bit of work on your truck. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
So, I think I've got some company. Dad joke time. I better duck for cover. Ooh.